How to find your Facebook profile URL or link. If you've been wondering how to find your Facebook profile URL or link, whether for sharing or personal use, this video is for you. It's super easy and I'll show you exactly how to do it. First things first, open your Facebook app and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you've opened Facebook and logged into your account, head to your profile page. Now, in your profile page, you can find three dots next to edit profile. Tap on it. Scroll down until you find an option that says copy profile link or copy profile URL. Simply copy your profile. Now you will get the link something like https:/www.facebook.com, like that something. Just tap and send it to anybody you would like. And that's it. Whenever you touch the link, it will lead you straight to your profile. And that's it. That's how you can simply find your Facebook profile URL and send it to somebody.